So here's a great stocking stuffer gift for men. This is a telescoping magnetic pickup tool. And if you know someone who's a tinkerer and who does odd jobs around the house or even auto mechanics, a telescoping magnetic pickup tool is a key component to any toolbox. When you drop that bolt down in a small tight little space where it's dark and you don't have a replacement bolt easily available, then this tool will save the day. So it has 3 LED bulbs guaranteeing super bright light at the end of the pickup tool. It has a pocket clip you can easily attach to your pants or your shirt pocket while you're working. It's 360 degrees rotatable, giving you the option to reach hard to reach places. The magnetic head with the light is key to reaching and grabbing those bolts or those small parts that got lost. And it also has a base that has a super strong magnet, which can help you pick up tools that fall in the grass or not easily found. With the magnet, we'll just pick them up and attach them right to the end of the scope. Now the scope is like an automatic auto antenna. It telescopes outward, nice and easy, extending to a huge length of 22.5 inches. You got like 3 inches on the end of the telescope that's flexible, that could rotate in 80 degrees, bend 90 degrees, bend all sorts of ways so that you could reach hard to get items with ease. If you ever worked on a car and dropped bolts under the car, you know how time consuming and aggravating it can be. With this tool, you take it out your pocket or take it off your toolkit off the toolbox, and you just easily reach nice and easy under the car and grab everything you need, and a stressful situation is avoided. So be the one to give that cool and easy gift this year with this telescoping magnetic pickup tool.